Hi guys, welcome to my video. On this video today we are learning how to make this pass list with the help of this normal CAT6 cable, how to terminate the RJ45 on the CAT6 cable. This is the basic skill that any technician should have. This is the starting basic skill you need to have. Please watch this video till the end and do this process until you feel 100% confident on this termination. All you need is just two RJ45, one cutter, one cable stripper, RJ45 clamper, and a land tester just to test your cable whether it is right or wrong. Let's start, guys. First thing first, use a cable stripper to strip the outer surface of this cable, and then remove this plastic and this rubber coating, and you can cut them. We don't need these. Then untwist all these 4 pair of cable. Try to make it straight as much as you can. So let's try to make it straight as much as we can. And brown white and white blue. Now I have untwist all these 8 cables. Now here we will follow the A category crimping that I am here in Australia, so we follow the A types. A lot of different countries like Asian country follows the B types. Here I will be showing you the A type. First one is white, green and green, and then white orange, and then blue, white blue, and white blue, and orange, white brown, and brown. This is the color code for A category, and cut them with the help of the cutter. And put your RJ45 in such a way, like if you say that this is upside down, then put it on the upside down way, and try to feed the cable in the same order. Make sure they are on the same order while you feed. The reason I told you every time to use the pass-through one is we can see them clearly on the order, and if you don't use this pass-through one, you can't see these on the outside of this RJ45. Let me confirm whether they are on the right order or not. Yes, they are in the order. Now I will use the pass-through cable crimper, and ready. My crimper cutter is not working properly, so this side done, and the same will be on the other side. And I will try to remove this plastic part. These are for the physical strength only. These are things to give the physical strength to this cable. First is white, green and green. Second one is orange. This one is orange. And then white orange, my bad, white orange, and then blue, white blue, white blue, and orange. Another one is, let me work on this brown and white brown, goes to this brown. And let me double check. If you make them straight as much as you can, so your job will be more easier, so they will go straight away. Let me cut them. Now put your RJ45 upside down and feed them. Let's check on this side. No, something wrong. This happened, guys. Make sure double check every time. They go here and there. But now white, orange, blue, yes. That in the right order, then you can terminate. Now it's time to check whether we have made this right or wrong. One will go, this is my land tester. I will turn on this device. One will go on the master, and this one is detachable. You can detach it. And this one will go on the other side. And then we will have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, guys, this is 100% working. This will do. Thank you very much, guys, for watching my videos. If you really like my video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will come with the new IT videos. Thank you. See ya.